If your Honda CR-V's Apple CarPlay is acting up or won't connect, don't head to the dealership just yet. Statistically, over 80% of CarPlay failures are actually caused by a faulty or low-quality lightning cable. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to find exactly where your connection is breaking down. Start with these basic checks, making sure you're plugged into the correct data port and Siri is enabled. Sometimes the issue is a software handshake error within your iPhone's own privacy or restriction settings. If the phone is fine, your Honda's head unit might just need a quick reboot to clear its cache. Wired issues are usually physical, while wireless problems often stem from signal interference or software conflicts. As you can see, simply swapping to a high-quality cable fixes the problem for the vast majority of CR-V owners. Performing a soft reset of the audio system is a safe way to fix glitchy software without tools. Keep these items handy to maintain a solid connection and keep your ports free of debris. Remember to keep your software updated, as many connection bugs are fixed in standard iOS updates. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit the like button and subscribe for more Honda Tech tips.